My name is Samuel Ingram. I'm graduating with a bachelor's degree in applied mathematics from ASU's New College on the West Valley campus. And I chose applied math because I knew I wanted to do something math related.
His mathematical ability is amazing. And when you are able to harness that ability and apply it to novel projects, that's where new things are going to happen.
During my freshman year, during the summer, I went to an internship at the University of Iowa where I learned about biostatistics. I really enjoyed the subject a lot. It seemed like a great career path to follow.
So yeah, Sam has grown in his love for statistics, if nothing else. He realized that mathematics is a vehicle and the foundation of statistics.
So we're studying the migration pattern of Galapagos great sea turtles. And the research is trying to kind of overlay oceanographic features and see if we can build a mathematical model that looks at what are the oceanographic features at the point of the turtle and see if we can accurately recreate or predict the turtle's path just based on those features. New College has helped lead me towards that by showing me opportunities I never would have discovered otherwise. Like, the reason I was able to find my interest from biostatistics was going to Dr. Roach and saying, like, what good math internships are there? And then being directed towards a lot of the programs that existed and getting that summer research experience. And so just the mentorship from professors at New College has helped me discover the internships and opportunities that push me towards the areas that I want to research.